I'm sorry, y'all. My camera went off, but yeah, what was you saying?
Okay. I said them cameras go off quick, boy. They do that all the time. I wonder why they go off so fast. A lot of them.
And I deleted all of the older videos. And I guess I gotta get another what you call it?
A lot of people say, "Oh, my camera fell off."
I gotta get another card for it. They got more. What's
what one I gave you?
This is the second
That's
one.
the second one?
Yeah, I think, wait, I think the actual...
We should have the third one back, you know.
I'm starting to think the actual camera still be keeping all them videos. Yeah, because it's... Wait, you done with your pancakes?
Yeah, it's a half ground. You said they have now.
I think y'all slick trying to eat the pancakes first, the sweet thing first, then the hash brown.
And then your pie, what kind of pie you get? You have
blueberry.
Oh, you got blueberry too.
That's their new pie. It's limited time.
I know I better watch eating all this stuff, and then I know I got to lay back there.
Oh yeah.
And that's okay. Oh well, I'll be alright. I didn't eat that much anyway.
No, you haven't.
And then I have my chicken noodle soup, and I ate that. I'll be like that too, Johnny. That's where you get that from, loving sweets from me.
Sweet.
I always have had a sweet tooth when I was a little girl.
Johnny, you watching TV, ain't you?
Johnny, I watch TV. What's that, Tom and Jerry? That ain't Tom and Jerry.
What's his name again? Talking Tom. His name is Tom, though.
Oh, that movie was Sam. That was a good movie. They should be on TV now.
I think it's on Prime now. Prime Video.
Is that the one where?
No, it's on HBO Max. Oh, on HBO Max. I thought it was Prime.
Is that the one with Will? That is the one Will Smith was in.
Did we see that one too? That movie?
Will Smith.
Yeah, that cartoon. What's it called?
So we seen two of them.
Jack and the Cat.
No. Not the one with Will Smith.
Will Smith, when he turned into that bird, that pigeon.
Right. He was that long time.
I bought that movie
that one first.
Yeah, but then I bought it.
So we seen two movies since the pandemic. But it wasn't nobody in that theater, boy. Like we had the theater to ourselves.
Yeah, when I'm like, wasn't nobody.
Count the people on our hand, about
2 or 3, about 5.
And yeah, with us in that big old room. But those were two, so we can see both of them on I would like to see
they on there. Yeah.
I don't know, watch them.
Medea got a new movie.
But that Tom and Jerry movie was good. Which one is the bad one? Was it Jerry or Tom? Was the other cat? What of them real bad?
I believe it was her mouse.
Jerry, which one?
The mouse.
The mouse. Oh, the mouse.
That's the cat.
What was the cat? That was a good movie though. I like that. I don't know what they playing now as a movie. What's the new movies that's out now?
As far as like cartoons, Sing 2, she still got to see Sing 2.
Oh,
that's a good movie. You'll like that too.
Tom and Jerry.
Sing 2. It's called Sing 2.
Oh, what are you doing? I don't know if you.
It's these animals that be auditioning for a show. She got the first movie, but the new one just came out. It came out on, was it Christmas?
Yeah, on Christmas. But guess what? On the Sing Part 2, they was singing the Taylor Swift song, Are You Ready For It? They were singing it.
For real?
Johnny, no, she took about 2 took when y'all still get the, I said, Johnny, y'all still had that tree up.
My tree's still
up. But it was another family I know. They talking about, there was another YouTuber I was watching, Ken and Dre. And he said he ain't his tree gonna stay up until March. He said he stayed up until March. He said, don't take the decoration down, leave them alone. I'm gonna keep the tree up until March.
I wish I could stand it up somewhere for real.
Oh, well, we got a cousin that keeps hers up. She do the Valentine. She decorates the Valentine in color too. Keep hers up all year round. A lot of people do that now.
Fit that tree in the storage.
I got this storage together.
Where y'all put it in the
I gotta take it down and put it in the box in the storage.
Oh, okay.
I hate to take it down. It's so pretty.
Yeah.
I normally have it up like after
Thanksgiving. New Year's.
No, I normally take it down by Valentine's Day anyway.
Yeah.
But they ain't never had it up this long.
It's all over March, yeah.
I ain't never had it up this long. It became a norm. I walk right past it. I was forgetting. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna take it down tomorrow.
I just keep mine up until the new year, then I'll take it down.
They probably say it's bad luck if you keep it past some days.
I don't think it is. I don't go by that stuff. Our cousin, she keeps hers up. We look at her. I look at her on Facebook. She keeps up all year round, but she decorated for whatever season. She decorated. Holiday. Holiday. But I'm like, when it's not a holiday.
You ate good.
Wendy's
breakfast. That's what I was gonna say. I want to try their breakfast one day because they.
This probably be one.
Yeah.
Journey, you ain't never had this.
Journey ate all 3 of your pancakes. Hash brown about done.
You done told that up. I like these little
cookies.
These ain't nothing but Tupperware bowls.
I don't know if they were serving the cookies during breakfast time. I don't know.
You ain't never tasted these?
That's good. You like the blueberry?
Taste it right quick. It's good.
Oh, I tried it before.
Did you like
these are the blueberries. Look.
Yeah, you like it because you ate all mine.
Yeah.
I'm eat one now and one later.
You ever had the blueberry one? This your first time?
Blueberry good.
I like blueberry anyway.
Yeah,
they got blueberry muffins too.
That's what you need to make. You gotta do a cooking thing. Yeah. When y'all was young, see, 'cause Mama made them when we were young. The homemade blueberry.
Right.
Blueberry muffin. I made it for y'all. They taste much better than the other stuff. They taste much better.
I'm gonna turn it off next time. I ain't know.
Extra. Well, I know most people like. I want to do the I want to do they like McDonald breakfast more than the regular food. Because I like their breakfast food. That's what I'm trying to say. Their breakfast food is better than their regular food.
Yeah,
we don't even eat this stuff.
Also, in the darn TV, I almost forgot we was on camera. That's why I was like.
Ask your Journey.
Do they like McDonald's breakfast more or they regular food?
So y'all, do y'all like McDonald's breakfast better or McDonald's regular food? Comment down below.
Since I don't really like, we don't really eat that fast food no more like that. That breakfast food.
I like the breakfast food.
I love that breakfast food. But I ain't had it in a long time because before the pandemic they was fixing it all day. You can eat it. Then after that they changed. Did they go back to fixing all day?
I don't think so.
You got cherry people. Because that breakfast food be good. That breakfast good.
Journey, I know you should be full. Ooh-wee. 3 big pancakes, hash brown.
And this is the biggest meal of the day. And you were supposed to eat like this in the morning.
Yeah.
They might say this not enough. Because they said my doctor said eat a big breakfast. So you done had that one before?
Blueberry.
Oh, okay.
I like the blueberry. I need mine warm though. I gotta have mine warm.
No, it's good to her. She just shaking it down. Johnny over here good to her.
I should be full right now on breakfast time right now.
You full?
Just let it play out. I mean, I'll let it play out until she gets to eat that.
Let what play?
Oh, I thought you were talking about the camera.
We're recording.
I know. You not even.
It might go out. It's at 8 minutes. It went out at 9 minutes on the first one. So
you can tell them, Johnny, it might go out. If the camera go out,
if it go out, just make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe.
And make sure you hit that bell.
And make sure you stop shaking this table, my love.
Make sure y'all subscribe.
Yes.
And then make sure you hit that bell.
See our video like this, and make sure you comment down below to see our video like
you know what Journey took me because she say, make sure you comment down below to see another video. You're supposed to say, make sure you comment down below so you be notified when I show up.
Nah, you hit that bell to be notified.
Yeah, Journey took me. What you say, Journey? Say subscribe. I say subscribe. These things good, aren't they? But you got 2 of them too, don't you? Later on we can warm up.
One.
She got 2 pies.
That's mine.
Oh.
What? You don't like it?
Well, you don't like it?
Yes, you do.
But you like blueberries, though.
It's good. What's wrong with it?
I think better was warmed up more. Oh, I know you should like that much. You like jelly. That look like that jelly.
That's blueberry, real blueberry too.
And you know you eat them. You love blueberry. Yeah, it's healthy.
Yeah, you love blueberry, which is good.
This stuff good.
Because blueberries is a super fruit. I like them. They're kind of tart. I don't see how she be eating them like that.
But you know what?
Tart.
Y'all know I gave.
I put them in our.
They're sour. I like my stuff real sour.
But I put them in smoothies. It'd be good.
Oh yeah.
I'll make the best.
Oh, we supposed to do that too. I got the fruit. Make some smoothies later on. If not today, we make some tomorrow.
Don't I make the best smoothies? It tastes just like tropical smoothie.
Well, we'll make some tomorrow then. Come here, we supposed to make some.
Yeah, this one going on longer.
Make some smoothies tomorrow. You said you put milk in yours?
Almond milk, bananas, plain Greek yogurt.
Yeah, but I was making mine, but I was just putting the ice in there and the fruits and stuff.
You put a little ice because it's already ice because they frozen unless you're doing fresh fruits.
Right.
If you're doing fresh fruits, you need a lot of ice. But if you're